right now.
Happening now, a traffic headache for the evening rush hour.
2 eastbound lanes are closed on I-244 near Yale. That's causing backups as we speak. 2 News reporter Dan Perlman is there right now to show us the problem. Dan?
Yeah, well, right now you can see the eastbound traffic over on I-244 is moving along a little bit slowly, but it is starting to slow down as we speak. Now, the road work itself is just over that bend on the bridge that goes over Admiral. Now, we shot this video just a short time ago, and you can see what workers there are fixing. It's a small hole that opened up on the bridge, so ODOT immediately started emergency bridge deck repairs. An ODOT spokeswoman tells me crews shut down these 2 eastbound lanes around 1:30 and traffic will continue to be a problem here. But drivers who use this road every day say that's okay. They want this fixed.
If I see a hole, I'm going to obviously swerve, to get out of the way. Well, then what if a car's right next to me and I swerve into another vehicle? There could be a huge crash and then people could get hurt, and it's just dangerous, very dangerous.
At this hour, there is no timetable on when these 2 lanes will reopen. The ODOT spokeswoman told me later this year, the ODOT will start accepting bids from contractors to repair the bridge deck. That hopefully will prevent problems like this from occurring in the future. Live along I-244, Dan Perlman, 2 News, works for you.